Whirlpool dishwasher in action. It has the power clean. This is good for like pans cleaning. So you put the pans on this side to the washing surface. Yeah. At the start button, the hours. You can use this for half an hour on every program. Yeah, the stop button. And here's the Whirlpool effect, like as you can see on the display. This symbolizes the Whirlpool. Yeah. So this is the intelligent program that the dishwasher measures the amount of dishes and pans inside, and it measures and it times how much the time will take to the washing and how much water will be used. Yeah, 6 cents. Yeah, Whirlpool.